Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Jaguar X Type bonnet. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and locating the release lever under the left dash, then pull it firmly until you hear a pop. Walk to the front, reach under the slightly raised edge to find the secondary catch, push it sideways and lift the bonnet. Use the prop rod if present, or let the gas struts hold it open. Begin inside the car and focus on the interior release lever under the driver's side dash. Gently pull the lever until you hear the bonnet pop, and then step outside to check the hood gap. If the lever feels stiff, avoid forcing it and spray a little lubricant on the hinge area while you test movement. Keep the engine cool and the car parked on level ground before proceeding with any further actions. After releasing the interior lever, move to the front and carefully slide your fingers under the bonnet to find the secondary catch. Gently push the catch to the side or lift it while raising the bonnet to free the latch. Once the bonnet opens, locate the prop rod and slot it into the designated hole, or verify the gas struts are holding the bonnet steady. Always work slowly to avoid surprise.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.